Hi CMH friends, I'm Ramona Williams here at Children's Museum Houston. I'm the Alexander Specialist. So today I'm going to do this really cool craft activity. It deals with spring flowers. We know spring is on the way, and you also get an opportunity to go on a nature walk and add it to your art. So here's the materials that we'll need. Cardstock, glue, scissors, empty paper towel roll, different color paint, and paintbrush. And something you don't see on here because I have to go on my nature walk are twigs that I found inside of our eco station here at Children's Museum Houston. Now let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to move my paint out of the way, and I'm going to flatten my empty paper towel roll. The first thing we want to do is to cut our paper towel roll about 1/2 inch across. So you want to make as many as you want because we are making, these are going to be the petals for our flowers. And you can probably see as I'm cutting them how it could resemble the petals of a flower. Okay, I think that is enough. I'm going to put my scissors to the side, and make sure if you are using scissors like I use, these scissors, to have an adult assist you, or you can absolutely use kid-safe scissors. Now, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to paint each color of my petal. It depends on you how many different colors. You can do 10 colors, or you can do even just one. I decided to do 3 colors: pink, blue, and white. Now you may say, Ramona, why are you using white? Well, I decided to use white just to make sure that my petal looks really, really white, because you can see here that there are some lines from the adhesive. So I'm going to start with my white, and I'm going to paint it. Now this will be a little messy. You might get a little bit on your fingers, but I'm using washable paint, so it is going to come right off. And I would also paint on the very top, on the inside and the outside. I'm going to put that there. Another good idea is to use something on your table that you can either wash or just throw away when you're finished. Now that we have finished up, this is a perfect time to allow, oh, I see some white. This is a perfect time to allow your petals to dry, and as they're drying, you're gonna go on a nature walk outside on a beautiful day, and I want you to find some twigs, even maybe some leaves that you can use on your art project, okay? So I will be right back. I'm going on my nature walk. All right, I've made it back from my nature walk, and look at the twigs that I have found. Just some random ones. It was beautiful outside. I am glad I had an opportunity to be outside and to become one with nature. And so now what I want to do is before I actually use my twigs, I'm going to take my petals and I'm going to just arrange them in a color pattern that I think is cute. Now what I want to do is take my glue, and on each side of my petal, glue it down. I put glue and then press it next to the petal to the left and to the right of it. Now you are going to want to let it dry a little bit, and once it has dried, you're going to put glue on the other side. And since mine is still a little wet, what I will just simply do is slide it over and put glue. And then I'm going to rest my my flower on top of it, just sliding it over. Press it down, let it hold. And last thing I want to do is I want to add a stem. Let's see which one I want to use. I like this one. It has a little bit of a curve. I love the nature element. Let's do this. And here we have an art project that is a combination of nature and recycled material that we actually found around our home and outside. Okay, friends, that is all the time I have for today. I hope you enjoy being creative with your spring flower art activity. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Oh, and I want to see you here at Children's Museum Houston in the near future. I'm Ramona Williams, and I look forward to seeing you soon.